Woke up feeling disconnected from your body? Like your posture's off, your back's tight, and your core's asleep? You're not broken, you're just out of rhythm. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with stability, because a strong day needs a steady foundation. From tabletop, extend your right arm and left leg. Pause, reach long, then roll elbow to knee under your body. Slow and controlled. I promise this will light up your deep core, align your spine, and prep your body to handle real life without breaking down. Beginners, tap the floor for balance. Advanced, try holding the extension for 3 seconds each rep. Now switch sides. Left arm, right leg. Here's the truth. If your core doesn't fire, your hips and back take the hit. Hold the next extension. Now squeeze your glute for 5 more seconds. That just stabilizes your spine. Now let's power it up from underneath. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip width. Press through your heels, lift your hips, squeeze at the top. This is more than a glute move. It's the ignition switch for your entire backside. I promise strong glutes protect your knees, power your posture, and prevent lower back pain. Beginners, keep it slow and steady. Advanced, hold the top position and add pulses. Still feeling tight in the hips? That's your body telling you something. Let's keep loosening it layer by layer. Give me one more rep. Hold at the top and squeeze. That just fired up your engine. Now let's train control through the hips. Come to a tall kneeling position, sit your hips back towards your heels, then press back up using your glutes and hips. Not momentum. This teaches control, not just movement. And when you're grounded, everything else feels more stable. I promise this improves hip mobility, strengthens your core, and helps rewire your lower body movement pattern. Beginners, place hands on thighs. Advanced, cross arms or hold light weights. Here's a fun fact. This drill is often used to retrain athletes post-injury. That's how foundational it is. Try slowing it down for the next rep. Can you feel both hips working evenly? That just resets your movement control. Now we target what's still locked up deep inside. Sit on the floor, feet flat in front of you, knees bent. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and switch sides. Rotate from the hip socket, not the knees. This one sneaks up on you, but it's one of the most important things you can do for long-term joint health. I promise this helps unlock chronic tension, especially if you sit for hours or sleep curled up. Beginners, use hands for support. Advanced, sit up tall, no hands, and slow it down. Let's play a little game. Try 3 more reps with 0 arm support. Still feel stuck? That's exactly why we're doing this. That just cleared the hips. Now let's finish with a chain that holds it all together. Stand tall, soften the knees, slowly fold forward. Let your arms hang, head heavy, breathe. This is where you decompress, where you let gravity help, where you let go. I promise this stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine all at once, and it creates a full body exhale you didn't know you needed. Beginners, keep a bend in your knees. Advanced, try gently straightening the legs or clasping opposite elbows. Can you reach just 1 inch lower than you thought? Let it go. All of it. 5 more seconds. That just aligned your full chain. Now carry the posture into your day.